What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Zambia's finest, and of course, this is day 18. And we're going to see so far we have made 5,568.20. So now we're going to do a custom period from July the 6th, right, to July the 7th, right? So we have made 827.68 runs on that day, so giving us a total of, from June 19th, that's when we started the challenge, to July 7th, giving us a total of 5,587.49 runs. That's like half a month, right? So I'm hoping that by the end of the month we would make 100% return, which is a good thing. So far so good. I like what's happening, and of course, if you would want to be seeing more of this, ensure that you follow me and ensure that you tag along as we complete this challenge.